Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to unbox my new art material. Let's see what is this. And this came from Amazon. So let's see. These are woodless graphite pencils. This is a pack of 6, and these are from Watson. Um, and I'm so excited. These are made of high grade charcoal and can use for detailings. They are great for adding details and create highlights with a kneaded eraser. Kneaded eraser is this. This you can make any shape of this eraser. This is called kneaded eraser, and uh, you can use our regular sharpener for sharpening and sandpaper for making it smooth. These are the pencils. We have one HB. This is HB. Let's see. It's work good. Then we have 2B. This is a 2B pencil. And this is 4B. Is 6B for shading. Mostly we use for shadings. And then it is a 8B. And this is my favorite EE for the darkest darks. I am going to use this for the darkest dark. I love this. I just love all these, and I can't wait to go for sketching with them. And these are so beautiful. I always keep my material very safe because I love them. So I'm going to place it again in the cover, and I'll make sure that I keep them as it is after work. Every time after finishing work, I'll keep them as it is. That's all for this video. See you in the next video, which will be a tutorial of charcoal drawing. Thank you for watching.